In this video, we are going to see the architecture of Dbms. So, let me explain you guys. Okay, so Dbms is nothing but database management system. Database management system is also called as Dbms in short form. So the question is, explain the architecture of a database management system. Database management system architecture, Dbms. So let us see what is database management system. What is DBMS? ठीक है, तो database management system is a software. So DBMS or database management system, what it is a software that helps users to store, manage and retrieve data effectively. So what DBMS does, it does store, it manages and retrieve the data effectively. So it acts as a bridge between the users and database. So it is a bridge, the users and it acts as a bridge between the users and the database. So basically DBMS is a bridge. Okay, DBMS is a software that acts as a bridge between users and a database. Now, what is DBMS architecture? So DBMS architecture means the design or a structure that explains how DBMS components work together to manage the data. See, we have seen earlier, that DBMS is a software, but now DBMS architecture is basically a structure or a design of how things work, how things are managed in a data. Like basically a design or a structure is nothing but an architecture of DBMS. It shows how users, applications and storage layers interact. मतलब कि DBMS is a software, right? But architecture means the behind the scenes which are going behind how it is designed, how it is structured, is all comes under the architecture. So in short, the DBMS is the software. The DBMS architecture is the design or a structure of how it works. DBMS design the structure of how it works. Architecture means the design, the structure of how it works. DBMS is a software. DBMS architecture is the design, structure of how it works. We will see the architecture of DBMS. So in DBMS architecture, we have three levels. Okay, the DBMS architecture have three levels. First is external level, second is conceptual level, and third is internal level. First is external level, conceptual level is the second one, and third one is internal level. So now I am going to explain you these three levels of DBMS architecture. Now we are going to understand DBMS architecture from lowest level to the highest level for easy understanding. So the last level, which was internal level, so we will be understanding those level from downwards to the upwards. Like first we are going to see the internal level, then we are going to see the conceptual level, then we are going to see the extrinsic level. Okay, so the internal level is also called as physical level. So this is the lowest level of data abstraction. So the internal level is the lowest level of data abstraction. This describes how the data is actually stored in memory. So internal level is all about how the data is stored in the memory while using files, indexes. For example, the best example of internal level is that data stored in binary form. The binary form, the data which is stored in a binary form in a hard disk. This is the best example for internal level. Now we will be saying the conceptual level, which is the second level, also called as logical level. conceptual level, which is also called as logical level. So this is the middle layer. So this is the middle layer of DBMS architecture. This shows how the data is logically organized in the database system. This shows how the data is logically organized. In the first level, we have seen that how it is stored in a memory. Then in the next level, we are seeing that how the data is organized logically in a database. So the best example for conceptual level is that a university. So let us say that we have a university database. Okay, so then it shows that what data is stored and how it is related. In a university, we have a big data, so we are seeing that how it is related and how it is organized. For example, a student table, which table of attributes, like how the students roll number, names, course and marks are stored in a university. We have different colleges, different students and number of students, right? So how the data of a student is stored in terms of roll number, name, course or marks is all comes under the organization of the data in the database. It can be also related to course. We have different courses like MBA programs, degree programs, intermediate programs. We are aware of different courses, right? So the course name, the course faculty for that, all all the data which is being stored this comes under conceptual level, which says that how the data is organized in a database. Okay, logically how the data is organized in the database comes under the conceptual level, also called as logical level. The third level is external level. The last level is external level, which is also called as view level. External level, which is also called as view level. So this is the topmost level of the database architecture. We were seeing from upwards to downwards to upwards, right? So this will come on the top level. Okay, so the topmost level is the external level, seen by the users, or these are the applications. So they basically, the applications which are visible to the users are the external level, view level. That's the reason which is being seen externally, which is being viewed externally. So this is called as view level. It provides different views of same database to different users. Basically, the same data which is stored, right, it is visible to users differently. So for example, we have A user, B user, right? So the same data will be shown differently to the A user and the B user. So we will take the same example of the university. Okay, so there's a one big university database collecting all the information about students, faculties, courses, results, etc. So from students point of view, we are saying from the student point of view that student can see only their own data. Student will be viewing only their data, like their name, roll number, subject, marks, etc. From teacher's point of view, the teachers can see the student's detail. Are you understanding? The data is same, but the viewpoint is different. Student will be seeing their own data, and teachers will be seeing the student's data, like their marks, their attendance, their results. So the viewpoint will be different for each users. So it also says that the external level provides different customized viewpoints of the same data to different users. See, the view will be customized to different users. So same data will not be shown to each users. Every users will be seeing the different types of data. I have seen in first level that it defines how the data is stored in a file and how it records and organizes. And in second level we have seen that it defines what data is stored and the relationship among the data. And in the external level, which is the last level, in this level we have seen that it provides different customized viewpoints of the same data to different users. I hope I was understandable. I hope I have explained it clearly. So do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. And also if you want me to explain any other topic you can comment down, so I'll go through that and I'll try to explain the concept or a topic.